Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This is my first cleaning video with me being pregnant. I am, I think, 21 or 22 weeks pregnant in this video. I'm not exactly sure because this was pre-recorded, but I'm just going to do a super quick clean in my kitchen, living, and my son's nursery that is currently still in the works. We are actually moving pretty soon, so that's probably as far as I'm going to get on his nursery for now, but I'm just going to give it a little cleanup because I did film some videos in there that day. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and clean with me, and hopefully this gives you guys some motivation. For my dishes, I found it really helpful to use these gloves instead of using a rag or a brush or sponge all the time. These are actually from the dollar store, and they are great. They are reusable, and they have little rigs on them, and it's really good for scrubbing because it has like little dots and like a pattern on it. So I just use that to scrub my pans and scrub my cooking utensils and any caked up food that's on anything, and then I put them in my dishwasher, and then at the end of the night I will run the dishwasher. Our living room was not that dirty, so I'm just going to tidy up the pillows a little bit, wipe down our coffee table and our TV console that used to be a dresser. I actually did a DIY. I kind of like how it looks, but I wish I could do a little bit more, but I'm just not sure exactly what to do to make it perfect. But yeah, that's a DIY. I didn't record it, but if you guys are wondering, that's a dresser. But I'm just going to tidy it up. It's not that messy at all, just needed to be wiped down and the couches straightened up a little bit. For my son's nursery, all I had to do was take out the 2 chairs that me and my husband sat on when we did the husband Q&A, which I will link that down below for you guys if you are interested in seeing that video. But I just put them back at our island where they belong, pushed back a little bit of his clothes and moved some of his toys and the pillows out the way, and then just gave it a quick vacuum, and that's it. Alright guys, so that's going to be about it. I'm really excited to get back to doing these cleaning videos. It feels really motivational for me, and I really do hope it is for you guys as well. If you guys really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and comment down below any future video suggestions that you guys have for me in the future. We are moving soon, so I'm really excited to do our moving vlogs really soon, and also new cleaning videos in our new house. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!